In this video, I will show you how to install the drain pipes for a basic bathroom sink. Step 1 is to put in the drain into the sink and tighten the nuts below. Make sure you put the provided gaskets facing the right way per the instructions. Sorry, I didn't record the top part, but you just drop it in and use either the provided gaskets or plumber's putty based on the instructions. Make sure that you buy a drain that is compatible with your sink. The one in this picture has a hole for the overflow, which I first bought by mistake. And it also shows plumber's putty, which it needs. My sink does not have an overflow drain hole, however, so I had to buy another one like this. Tighten the drain by hand and then by using a wrench. See the description and/or comments for the tools and supplies used in this video. Tighten the second nut by hand. Notice that you will not need any thread tape or pipe thread sealant for the drain pipes, just the provided gaskets. Next are the Ptrap and the tail pieces and wall piece. They come in a pack already assembled. Usually the bathroom drain pipes are 1 1/4 inch and the kitchen sink pipes are 1 1/2 inch, so make sure to get the right size. The pros say not to use these accordion pipes, but since my sink and drain pipe are not perfectly aligned, I need some wiggle room. These are not approved by code, but everybody uses them anyway. The only downside is that the accordion part tends to get dirty. Notice how this wall piece has a little round extrusion mark on the outside, and unfortunately this part will be inserted into my wall connection, so I will need to smooth it out because it will leak otherwise. Whoever came up with this design should be fired. I used my oscillating power tool to cut away at the little round thing, and then a sanding block. Next, I measured how much to cut away from the end pieces. This wall piece is too long, so I tried to use this ratcheting pipe cutter to cut it. Unfortunately, I didn't know how to use this tool properly, so the pipe cracked and the cut was uneven. Here's a stolen video showing how to do it correctly. Anyway, this cut was too short, so I tried again using a spare wall piece. Always measure once and cut twice. As you can see, I still failed to make the cut correctly, even though I twisted the tool like you are supposed to. So I ended up using my oscillating tool to make a better cut. For my next project, I will just use a rounding pipe cutter instead of this ratcheting pipe cutter. I then use the oscillating tool again to clean up the edges of the cut, and then a utility knife. And then I use a deburring tool to clean the inside of the pipe for any snags.